Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I do appreciate. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Agatha Progress channel on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel we react to all videos, and in this channel also we tell you and we bring the latest update for you from Africa and the world at large. So it is better you stay tuned to this channel, and if you know you haven't joined this family, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. All right, my wonderful people, I told you before that in this channel we react to all videos, and today upload, today's latest, is going to make you feel so happy because Nnamdi Kanu has done it again. Oduduwa and Bìàfŕà, indeed they are one. The Eastern Security Network has been established again by the wonderful volunteer. Those people that volunteer to fight for the betterment of the land have been chosen from Oduduwa and Bìàfŕà. Being said that, I have another wonderful one from our beloved brother again. Oh my word, if you hear from him, is too mind-blowing. He gave us the point the way it is, and he exposed a little fact about the Nigerian government and as many journalists that are trying to sabotage the work of Bìàfŕà, that are trying to pull down the struggle. Oh my word, it's good you watch this video and listen to them. Please don't forget to drop your opinion in the comment section. All right, let me leave the video so that we watch it together, because there is no time to check time. It is real and it is mind-blowing. All right, my wonderful people, here is the video. Please do well to watch it to the end, and I will be right back.
Read about the revolution that took place in every other country? Did they not read about the revolution that took place in UK, in US and everything? It was people who died to set their people free. People paid the price to set their people free. So if Nigerians are not ready to stand up, it is not going to work. It's not going to work. That is why we are not talking about one Nigeria anymore. We are talking about the restoration of Bìàfŕà. Our Oduduwa brothers are focusing on Oduduwa nation, because we need people that should be able to stand. Let me tell you, protest will never solve the problem. Whether you like, go and protest, shout everywhere. Protest alone cannot solve the problem. Protest is necessary, but protest alone cannot solve the problem. We need people like the ESN, the Eastern Security Network. People that will be on ground to defend, to retaliate, and give counter actions. That is why we must support the Eastern Security Network in Bìàfŕà land. We must finance any little contribution we have. We need to support the Eastern Security Network. So let me tell you something. I have studied, I'm over 30 years, but I'm not too old. But I've seen stories, I've read books, a history of things that has happened. I want to tell you something. Nigeria, in fact, the whole of Africa, protest cannot liberate Africa. Forget about it. If you think that protest, just like what Wòórst is doing and their group, it cannot liberate Africa. How many protests can you do? You want to tell me that you do protest more than Bobby Wine of Uganda? Oh my God, don't allow me to go too deep, man. I'm outside somewhere and there's not a lot of noise. It's making me go gaga. It's making me go mad. You have to understand. I always say it. We always say, oh, we have knowledge, experience in all these things. How can you only do protests? You know that protests, that people are not strong, people are afraid, they have threatened people, people are afraid to die and all of that. You think only protests can save the situation in Africa, Nigeria as a case study? Look at Bobby Wine of Uganda. Did you not see the kind of protest that they staged? The number of people that came on the street, what happened? It did not solve the problem. Look at the election that they rigged in Uganda. What about that they rigged in Nigeria? Did protest solve the problem? Did the international community that used it? Look at, there was a time that even Bobby Wine himself invited, or even the international communities, they went to meet to speak with Bobby Wine, and he narrated the story of how they stole the election from him. Were they able to collect? Were they able to reinstall or reinstate Bobby Wine into that position? No. The international community cannot help you. They can only speak. Just like the US now, the US embassy in Nigeria, they sent out a press statement that the Nigerian government should reverse the decision of suspending Twitter. Okay, that is, they are sending a very wrong message, to their investors and others. They claim to be partners with the Nigerian government, right? That is the only thing that they can do. They can only threaten them with visa ban and all these things. But the problem is that the people will continue to suffer. The only way out is the Eastern Security Network. It's not just only just only protest alone. I learned that tomorrow people are going to protest everywhere, anywhere, which is a good thing. Didn't you protest during NSAS? The protest didn't last for over 1 week, 2 weeks almost. What happened? What happened? They killed you. Look at Omo Election where he was shot at the other day. You will just die in the process of protest. It's not what you need to go and fortify and defend yourself. I always use the Israel and the Palestinian fight. Why did you think there was a ceasefire between the Israel and the Palestinians? It's because they were able to defend themselves. All of us, we need to support the Eastern Security Network. Our Oduduwa brothers, they have the Omotokun. If they are serious, we need to defend and finance and support this group, this Eastern Security Network, the Omotokun, if we want to defeat these people. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you what the Janda people are doing if you don't know. Do you know the reason why in the pre-recorded interview that the dead Buhari was focusing on telling you how he have cousins in Niger Republic? Do you know why? Because he has also invited his cousins. He said it's his first cousins. You see, you that is a citizen, he doesn't value you. He's using your money to go and build infrastructure in Niger Republic for their Fulani counterpart and friends and family, first cousins in Niger Republic. Did you know why he was focusing on that? He has pumped all the money from Nigeria.
Ani bororo do mani kwete bura ani biraha kareo ani kwete kare do mani kwete do pe Oduduwa ani Bìàfŕà do mani so suva do sapanao abi sabe do anyi do asibe Oduduwa do asimogovane mani kwete mani pe jazi agobe eworo ena anyi kata do mani sive do sipeo ba jasi vabe o ani bira o mani o kare o avo.
One of the commander Kapaibum. I mean tangna Gosino Pabio Emmanuel Membong Ukara Jinan the town of the kid. And you know one mato then you know Bìàfෘà. Bìàfෘà sina kijim in the town of Bìàfෘà. The town Bìàfෘà can you never got many one come in the theatre. Everyone the town Bonicaba, even an Eddie Kisangin. Eddie would bun Upasam in the kicker. You don't have young Adam Bono Kapaibum. I can see from today upwards. My governor Jim, my chief in my bong, God's fear of Pabio. Emmanuel Ludum, but Tomaco Sanakan Film. Dakeda, Jagani one and Menefra near me, Edokisam in Ebenek everywhere and Bonum, Upasiki Cut. Abianga Tomadon Bonogo, Motomago Sanakan Film. Can you need a Bìàfෘà? A Paibum and song it down, a Paibum and song it down.
Aloke nema aniyo anwoye ipuga chenike bene unga wo komanda goa nkebe ihe bene akaja ani widoma ebedune na aka ipugo lene ni hi kama uzu hi kama Nigeria ebedune na aka na aje kama iko na agi li freedom go aga men achekutu aro pabu ohi ihibi iko game na rogi le eigalo nya nwu ipugo lene ni hi kama Nigeria hibu Nigeria o aga alo no aro wa chegu idoma biko aro chekutu galo lo igalo nye ma bogo Nigeria wo le ocheni ibi iyogira no nga agbokoja achenika obodo ajegu beke ikama obodo ibo ajege egbo odo na akọ ajegu beke ebo abiko awa ga tarabo galo le okoranga agbajama kama mmaju ocho gawa galo igalo le idoma anu ocho ipugu commander go Bìàfෘà nika ipugu Bìàfෘà ebele aloka ya galo Bìàfෘà nyama ajego Nigeria tibu Oduduwa ohoro na aloka ya ma anka agbokoja anga jo cha ba ta na bo ga lo yi ga lo le ido ma ma
Okozono ụbọchị tata ụbọchị mawuru onwe ya ụbọchị Oduduwa bụ Yoruba nation na ndị Bìàfṛà jikọta aka ọnụ si n'ogbugbu a na-egbu ụmụnne anyị n'Obigo arụgbakọrọ ụbọchị nke tata gwa the zoo government bụ the British colonial ekpokọtala ọnụ chịkwa ha isi ebe ha n'ogbugbu a na-egbu ụmụnne anyị n'Ozugbo anyị achọrọzi ya ọzọ ọ bịara n'ụbọchị nke tata anyị ji wee gbakọọ n'ebe a wee sị agwa ndị Nigerian gọọmenti na etu ọbụla ha si wee chọọ ya ha chọrọ ya n'udo ha chọrọ ya na nsogbu na Oduduwa na Bìàfṛà dịrị ha nkwadobe na ogbugbu a na-egbu ụmụnne anyị ma n'ala Igbo ma n'ala Yoruba ma ndị nke nọ n'ugwu Awụsa n'Obigo n'ụbọchị nke taa na onwe ozi ọzọ anyị chọrọ n'aka ha bụrụ ha hapụ anyị ka anyị naba mana ọ bụkwa ha na ha asị na etu anyị ji gwa ya wee gwa ha n'ụbọchị nke tata na ha ekwetara anyị akọrọ ya egwu ndị nke ọzọ fọrọ afọ ha gbagbara anyị Igbo